If you fall out of the kayak, you're getting pied.
Full confidence. Here we go. Here we go.
Is he gonna push through?
Paddle, paddle. If he's down, paddle it out. Uh-oh. Oh. In the boat, in the boat, in the boat. Stay in the boat, in the tent. Stay, stay. Oh dear. Oh my God.
That does mean one cream pie.